All right, y'all. I just this is another part of that video I was telling y'all about, that return line. This is a 97 Dodge 12 valve. The return line started leaking. I had a fuel leak, so in order to get to it, you have to, of course, take off the fuel filter, which I'm doing that. This little angle helps you get in there and unloosen that fuel filter. Fuel filter is nothing to do, but this part, and I'm gonna try to get y'all down in here, was rather difficult, and I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to find it where it is. Okay, yeah, there, you see that yellow? That is a super handy little thing. It's a hose clamp with like a big wing on it, almost like a wing nut designed onto the hose clamp. I just cut that hose back a little bit, and then there was enough slack in it to reattach that hose, that return line. And then instead of having to fool with a little ratchet or even a bit driver or anything, I just could tighten that with my thumb and my forefinger. So really a handy tool. And here I got these at O'Reilly's. You can get them online. Man, that is just really a nice little they call them hose clamps with removable key. I left the key on there. I guess you can take it off if you want. I left it in place. So got that fixed, and I'm going to just reinstall my fuel filter, and we'll be good to go. Check it to see if it leaks, and there it is. Simple repair. Boy, but that fuel line is up there underneath that intake, and it is in a hard to reach spot. So if you like these videos, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, let us know what you thought in the comments. It's just a little tip that I have for my old 97 Dodge. So we thank you for watching again, and until next time, you guys take care.